How to download Google Form responses. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download your Google Form responses. So first thing what I want you to do is simply head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside your browser just search in for Google Forms just like this. And once you search in for Google Forms, make sure you sign into your account, and once you sign in you will get this interface like this. And if you have already created some forms, Google Forms related to your particular information, just click on it. If you haven't created already, you can just create it from over here by using templates and this blank form as well. So as I have already created my form, Google Form, using this blank. So what I can do is just head over to responses. So before you download any responses, make sure you have got the responses, because as you can see I have got one responses. If you haven't got any responses to your Google Form, you can simply click on this three dot and you will not be getting this option available. That means your download option is just like this, which is blank, which you can't do anything, which you can't perform any action. So as you can see I have already got one response from the person to whom I sent this to fill out this question, that is my form. So now that your response has been selected, you can now simply click on this three dot icon and then click on download responses, and just like that your download responses will be downloaded on your device. So that is exactly how you can easily delete the responses on your Google Form. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.